Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today we are back with another Scraps to Embellishment haul. Today we are actually doing June's main swap, which was voted on by the group, and Pool Party won the vote. So you have to create 10 embellishments for a pool party. It can be anything you want. They don't have to be flat because it's a main swap. Over on Ginger's Corner, all the details are there in the description box below. And if you want to swap and get some cool new pool embellishments, definitely come over and join us. Look how cute! I glossy accented the pool ring and the sunglasses, the floaty. So you can see all of our pieces here, and let me pull up my sleeves. I actually messed this one up a little bit because I got some ink on it, and then I tried to wet my paper towel and rub it off. You can see the little boo-boo, but that's okay because I did make myself one, so I'll keep this one for me. And so pretty much this one has a base. This is a Marjorie Ann Designs cut file. I think it's called Backyard Pool Party or something like that. I'll try to link it below if I remember. So pretty much what we are going to do is start off, we're going to build our sunglasses first, because you know if there's buildable parts, I like to do that first. So get my glue. I did go ahead, I pre-inked everything with the Distress Oxide Gathered Twigs, just to keep this video a little quicker because I'm a little pressed for time. But sign-ups are today, and I think they only stay open for, I think, 2 days maybe. So if you're watching this video on June the 1st and you want to sign up, definitely go over to Ginger's group and sign up, because you only have a few days to do that. Okay, so here's the glasses done. So then this one's going to be our base, and we're going to put a leg on first. There is a method to the madness, so these do need to be put on in a certain order. So we're going to put one leg on first, and then we're going to put on the belly. Which seems kind of strange because normally you would think you would put on both legs, but you want this leg in behind the belly because it's supposed to be a back view. And then you're going to put the front leg on. And then you have the feet, which is these right here. And then you're just going to put a foot on. And this one does look a little weird in the putting it together phase, just because of how it's set up. Because that looks really weird to me. But once you put it on, it all turns out. It's just because of how they have him positioned in the pool float. So that's that part. Then you're going to put the ears on. And you have a bigger ear and a smaller ear, and you can kind of just do it by, figure it out if you don't know, by just, before you glue anything, just kind of like lay it all out and match it up, because like I said, this one does have a base. Not all cut files have a base, and it makes it a lot harder to try to match things up. Okay. And then you're going to put on the center of the ears, which are these circles. Okay. Then you're going to put on the face. Let's press it down a little harder. And then you are going to put on the muzzle. Now, since this is a main swap, I get to use my foam tape that I like and pop things up and all that fun stuff. So you're just going to put this here, and then and then the glasses, I just pop them up also to give them a little bit of dimension. Oh, but before I put these on, I'm going to chalk the cheeks. I almost forgot. So I'm just using my chalk. Y'all saw me use a lot. And this little thing, you can get a bunch of these, like 1,000 of them for a few bucks on Amazon. Probably at the store. I mean, you can use them for makeup or whatever. But I just like to go in and do the cheeks. I actually like the way this puts it on versus the little brush that I actually have. And then I just go back in with my finger and I just rub a lot of it off so it's not dark. And if it gets too dark or you don't like the way it looks, you can always use your glue eraser. I've showed y'all that before. Okay, and then we're going to add the glasses. And then we're going to add the nose. And then this little bitty dot is the mouth. Now you could totally leave it off. You could draw in your own little mouth. This is just a little pickup tool from Close to My Heart. It's like a wax pencil. It works great for the small stuff. I've showed y'all these before. Other companies also make them. Okay. And then, oh no, somebody has a missing arm. Then we're going to add in the arm. And for the front arm, I like to just pop it up at the end with some foam tape. And then just add some glue. So then it goes in about right in here on the front. And then I put it on the pull float. This one's the back piece. And you can see kind of where it has this, it's different than this one. So I just put some glue on here, because this is where we're going to glue our bear. And you kind of can line up the butt and the legs on here of how it needs to go in. So then I just do that. And then I just add some foam tape. Now, on this one, I did use glossy accents. I'm probably not going to do glossy accents. Here's what it looks like without it, which is still super cute. I might end up doing the glasses, but I don't know. I kind of don't want to do the glasses if I don't do the float. But I don't have enough glossy accents to do 12 of them. Whoops, I'm leaving that piece on. That one's just to help stabilize it in whenever you put it on. I don't have enough to do all of them, so I will, if you leave me a comment, you can win one of these bears. And if you win, you're going to win the one that's glossy. Since I don't have enough to do all the other ones. Okay, and then you just take the arm and put it on the back part and put it there so that it looks like he's just propping his arm on the float. And voila, we have our bear done. That's just got me curious to know who's missing an arm over here, because I know that I did not cut out an extra one. Oh, there he is. He's a missing one. It's him. Okay, I'm going to put this on just because it's bugging me. Alright. It gets a little crazy sometimes whenever you're trying to multitask and do all of them. I assembly line them, lay them out, add all one piece onto each one. That's how I do it to do it quickly. Okay, so now pretty much all we have to do is our pen work, and I'm just using my two favorite pens for this stuff, the Jelly Roll and the Sharpie S-Gel pen. Both of them you can buy at Walmart fairly cheap. And then for this, I'm just going to draw the little line here. And then with the white pen, I'm just going to go in and do all my little pen work that I like to do. Just to bring it to life, give it a little personality. And then I decided I was going to draw in lines to kind of resemble the reflection from the sun on them. And then I give little freckles. Y'all know I like to do the freckles. And then I am very popular tonight, if y'all can hear my computer dinging over here. And then I just do my little pen work. And then on this one, I like to draw this in, and then I just kind of think of where it would fall, like if you was on it in the sun, like, you know, it would be reflecting off with the water and stuff. So that's how I decide where I'm going to draw lines. Okay, and there's your little bear on the floaty. And like I said, since this one's going to be mine, I may even go in and do some little extras just so that it helps kind of camouflage the boo-boo I did there. Like I said, if you win, you're going to win this one right here. That was glossy accented. I just used this on them. Y'all know I like adding glossy accents. So, to be in the running to win this one, all you have to do is leave me a comment below. I'll draw the winner on the last day of the month. Make sure you subscribe and like so that you aren't missing any videos, because I have had a few months where someone didn't claim their embellishment, so I had to redraw. So hit subscribe so that, and the little bell beside it to make sure you're seeing all the videos so you don't miss them. And hope you guys enjoyed this, and until next time, bye y'all.